Friendships are very important as you navigate through life. They can influence your daily affairs and affect your destiny. Therefore, choose your friends wisely. You don't need irresponsible men with bad habits in your inner circle. What you need are men who will act like brothers, men who will confront you when you are wrong and support you when you need help. You need friends who will remind you of your responsibilities when you don't want to make your child support payments. You need friends who will also encourage you to go home to your family when other guys try to entice you to stay out late, chase women, and blow your money in strip clubs. Good friends want to help you avoid pitfalls and see you survive circumstances that would otherwise destroy you. Every young man should take time to pick up a Bible and read Proverbs 27, verse 6, as a reminder how important good friends can be sometimes. But keep in mind, it's important to periodically evaluate your friendships. The trust you place in friends must be earned. Each friendship must pass the pressure test of life's circumstances. Friends who pass the test will stand by your side when it's unpopular to associate with you. They will not abandon you when you face tough times. Neither will they betray you for personal gain. Instead, they will help you, pray with you, and stand guard over you if that's what it takes to help you survive. Don't be deceived by frenemies either. Frenemies are the people who compliment and flatter you as they envy your success and secretly plot your downfall. The Bible records how King David made mention of how he suffered at the hand of a man he thought was his friend, and made mention of him in Psalm 55, verses 12 through 14. It reads like this: "If an enemy were insulting me, I could endure it. If a foe were raising himself against me, I could hide from him. But it is you, a man like myself, my companion, my close friend, with whom I once enjoyed sweet fellowship as we walked with the throng at the house of God. So in my opinion, if you have a strong bond with men who have passed the pressure test, count your blessing. These men can help you reach your goals and avoid pitfalls that have destroyed other men." This personal development tip is an excerpt from the book Manhood Challenge by Dr. David Stevens.